So I like Chevys back then, and now I got Fords.
Who's the average person?
You got here 396.
B&M Turbo 400 Gear Vendors Overdrive. Dave, the unknown mechanic, had a Gear Vendors, and he had a hell of a time with vibration on it. And he had to have a custom drive shaft made, and then they had to do a whole bunch of balance work to get it to stop vibrating.
Well, it did, stock driveline wouldn't have folded up. So it was short. Short? Yeah, stock driveline is short. Then you got to have it rebalanced.
Well,
Oh, slap-o-matic.
I suppose this door must be better than the old one.
Hopefully.
It's a work in progress, you know. And what is a 80s, 70s, 80s car without the rear deck speaker, 6x9s on it? 6x9 coax or triax. Oh, they're the JBL GTO speakers. I've got the GTOs in my truck too. Oh, and then he's got the U-handle shift in there.
Yeah, you know what looks good in those? Is because I had a 69.
Hurst 4-speed?
No, it's an automatic.
Yeah.
But it's the Hurst quarter strip.
What's that?
It's an automatic Hurst shifter. It's like a